Nathan asked me a really good question a few days ago. He wanted to know the most important steps that a spouse getting separated or divorced in Ontario needed to take to start protecting their family law rights. Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham Region and the GTA. If you're like a number of my clients, perhaps you're a little intimidated by the idea of actually going through a separation or divorce. That's completely understandable if you've never done this before. Plus, anything new involves some level of frustration and anxiety. So I thought I'll share with you what I told Nathan about how the family law process in Ontario works and give you some helpful tips on protecting your family law rights in your separation, divorce, or family law case. Here's some key information and advice you must know to defend or protect your family law rights in your family law situation. Number one, you need to identify the major legal issues in your separation or divorce. These issues usually include custody of your children, an access or parenting schedule for your kids, child support, spousal support, and how to deal with your home and other major assets. Number two, you need to understand your family law rights respecting these major issues in your case, such as custody of your kids and child support. Number three, after you've identified the major issues in your case and you understand your family law rights respecting these issues, you should try to negotiate a separation agreement with your ex-spouse. A separation agreement is a legally binding written agreement between you and your former spouse that clearly resolves these issues between you and your ex-spouse. Number four, you must also get full financial disclosure from your ex-spouse before you can reach a final settlement or sign separation agreement with your former spouse. Number five, you should realize that you're negotiating a separation agreement with your ex-spouse so that there will be some back and forth about the issues. That's what negotiating is. You should expect this as part of the process of trying to reach an agreement with your former spouse. Number six, if you cannot resolve any of the major issues in your family law situation, you should seriously consider going to family court to deal with these issues. Family court is a last resort, but it may be necessary to solve certain key family issues in your case when your ex-spouse is taking an unreasonable position on these issues. One thing is for sure, you cannot successfully hope to negotiate a settlement or separation agreement with your ex-spouse without an excellent understanding of your family law rights. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, feel free to contact me on my Facebook Law Office page, that's O'Malley Family Law, or call me at 905-434-8837, and I'll point you in the right direction. Please make sure to share this important information and video with your friends, family members, and coworkers.